Several of the processes related to growth and aging in plants involve the effect of hormones. Today, I'll talk about the two aging processes, the ripening of fruit and the falling of leaves in autumn. These processes involve a hormone called estrogen. What is estrogen? It's a chemical, a gas produced by plant as a hormone. Estrogen is unique among plant hormones because it's the only hormone that's a gas. The gaseous state is important because it enables estrogen to move through the plant. Like all other hormones, estrogen triggers certain responses in the plant. Estrogen is associated with a variety of aging processes. One example of the aging process is the ripening of fruit. The ripening of fruit involves several changes in structure and metabolism. Some of these changes are aging processes. One change is the weakening of cell walls, which softens the fruit. Another is the increase in chlorophyll content, which causes the fruit to lose its greenness. Estrogen initiates or hastens both of these changes, and also causes some ripened fruit to drop from the plant. A chain reaction occurs during ripening as estrogen triggers aging. The aging cell then releases more estrogen. Because estrogen is a gas, the signal to ripen spread from fruit to fruit. You ever heard the expression, one bad apple spoils the whole lot? Well, it really is true. Yes, Randy? So when we buy food, like peaches, they're still kind of green and we store them in a plastic bag and the peach ripen faster. Yeah, this because of estrogen. I mean, I think I get it. The bag traps the estrogen gas and the speed of the ripening. Right, that's exactly estrogen accumulating inside the plastic bag and this starts a chain reaction. The signal to ripen spreads from one peach to another, and this causes all of the peaches to ripen faster. By the way, the role of estrogen was discovered in sort of interesting way. A century ago, citrus growers used to ripen fruit by curing in shade for a kerosene stove. The growers thought it was the heat of her stove ripened the fruit. However, they later discovered that the fruit didn't ripen after they started using newer, cleaner burning stoves. Analysts figured out that the reason for lighting this with kerosene stove was because of the estrogen, not heat. Because as it turns out, estrogen is a byproduct of kerosene combustion. Nowadays, a lot of fruit is ripened in huge storage containers that have estrogen gas piped in. It's a new variation on the old curing shed. But in another case, the storage facilities have to slow down the ripening caused by natural estrogen. For example, apples are stored in bins that are flushed with carbon dioxide. Circulating the air with carbon dioxide prevents estrogen from accumulating, and carbon dioxide slows down the action of whatever estrogen isn't flushed away. This is how apples can be stored for several months before they are shipped to supermarkets. Another aging process in plants where estrogen plays a role is the fall of leaves in autumn. When a leaf falls from a tree, the breaking point is a layer near the base of the leaf stalk. A change in the balance of two hormones, estrogen and action, controls the falling of leaves. An aging leaf produces less and less action, a hormone that stimulates cell growth. The drop in action makes the cells of the breaking layer more sensitive to estrogen. As the influence of estrogen becomes stronger, the cell starts to produce enzymes that weaken the cell wall of the breaking layer. Finally, with the help of wind or rain, the leaf breaks away as that layer and falls from the tree.